Chai batteries has the best packaging that I've ever seen. Compared to what I had shipped from eBay, a used guy, man, the thing was like flopping around. I was so disappointed. But yes, thumbs up. A sneak peek of what it looks like compared to one from the other, just from the package. Opening. Pretty exciting. All right. Here we go. Nice. The opening of my new battery. This is my DoorDash battery. It gives me the most range. Oh yeah, look at this beautiful battery coming out. Let's see here. We get this through here. Almost peel this off now. Might even be able to save this just in case. Slide it right out. What do you think? There it comes. Yeah. All right. Wow, look how slick that is. Okay, now I plugged it in. We're charging. I figure I charge at 10 amps. Clock 2, 3, 4, 5. That'd be 3 hours. That I actually probably wouldn't charge it all the way. But we could always use the other batteries if we have to. Nice charger, nice fan too on it. Pretty quiet. All right, let's get started. Now let's watch that video again real quick. Now I'm gonna do an installment and start tearing this thing apart. All right, here we go.